In this video, we're going to briefly show you how to get started using Photo Mechanic Plus, the new image database that adds catalogs to Photo Mechanic to help you manage your entire image library across all of your storage devices. This video assumes that you are already familiar with Photo Mechanic, so we're only going to cover the features that are new to Photo Mechanic Plus. The Photo Mechanic Plus user interface is divided between the navigator and the organizer, and you switch between them with these icons in the upper left corner of the contact sheet on a Mac. If you're on Windows, it has tabs like this. The navigator area is Photo Mechanic as you already know it. Select this icon to switch to the organizer view in Photo Mechanic Plus, and you'll see the left column panels change to give you access to your catalogs, along with tabs that contain powerful tools that allow you to search, filter, and browse through your catalogs. At the top, you'll see the Active Catalogs panel. A catalog in Photo Mechanic Plus is a database of photos and other media that can include multiple drives and folders, including offline media on drives that aren't currently connected to your computer. The catalog does not contain your original images, but does store the previews and the metadata for your images. A default catalog comes ready to go with Photo Mechanic Plus, but you can create other catalogs that fit your photo collection by going to the Catalog menu and selecting Manage Catalogs and the New Catalog. Just give the catalog a name and decide where to store it on your computer. You have two options for what you want to do with each catalog: search or add/modify. We'll start by showing you how to add photos, and there are multiple ways to add images to a catalog. One way is to use the Scan to Catalog option. This lets you select one or more folders to add, and you can also exclude folders or file types that might be in the folder that you're scanning. This will probably be the way that you build your first catalog. If you already have a contact sheet open in Photo Mechanic, you can select the photos and then right-click, or however you access context menus. That could be right-click, or in some cases control-click, and choose Include Items in Catalog from the menu. You can also do this from the Catalog menu. Lastly, you can add photos to a catalog during ingest by selecting the Auto Catalog option in the ingest window. Since this is commonly how most users of Photo Mechanic get their images, this is the easiest way to keep adding new photos to existing catalogs. If you ever need to remove images from a catalog, just select them and choose Remove from Catalog from the menu. You can also delete a catalog by going to the Catalog menu, then selecting Manage Catalogs, and opening the options for the catalog you want to delete. As a reminder, a catalog is a database with previews of your images, but not the originals, so deleting a catalog does not delete your photos. As you add images to a catalog, Photo Mechanic Plus collects all the metadata from these photos, and you'll find incredibly powerful tools that you can use to find your images even years after they were taken. The Search tab at the top lets you make a quick search for items in the catalogs you have selected in the panel above, and by default, this will search through all searchable metadata fields. You can also fine-tune your searches by using search semantics, including and or statements, and the case-sensitive search option. There are also options to only search photos in the current contact sheet, to display your search results using the same tab you currently have open, or to create a new tab for each search. These searches can then be saved as snapshots to be pulled up quickly in the future. The Filter tab lets you narrow down the contents of your catalog to find just what you're looking for, and can also be saved as snapshots. As you add images to a catalog, Photo Mechanic Plus collects all the metadata from those images, and the Browse tab gives you a way to navigate through all that metadata. Use the arrows to collapse or expand your view of each metadata type, and then select an item or the item's category to pull up those photos. And the last tab is for Collections. This lets you combine images from multiple folders or drives to create virtual groups of photos within a catalog. Each collection shows you how many photos are in it and are displayed in their own contact sheet. This is a great way to keep yourself organized and might help you work with clients as well. And that's your quick introduction to Photo Mechanic Plus. You can find more help articles at docs.camerabits.com. To try Photo Mechanic Plus free for 30 days with no credit card required, go to camerabits.com and select the Try for Free link at the top of the page. Thanks and happy photographing!